Hey flawless skin gang, welcome back to the channel. Long time no formulation video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this very simple yet very effective face whitening serum. This serum will take your face from this is what my skin looked like a few months ago because of skin damage, sunburn, and all of that, and it took me to this. So basically it gives you an instant result within at least 2 weeks. So if you like to see how I made this very simple yet very effective whitening face serum, then you definitely want to watch this video to the end. This serum is good for sensitive skin, it's good for normal skin, it's good for anybody. So if you like to see how I made this product, please definitely keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back. If you're just seeing my channel for the first time or you're just seeing my video for the first time, hi, my name is Aloe and I am a Nigerian based beauty influencer. I create skincare and beauty videos here on YouTube. So if you like to join the family, please click the link down below. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey best friend, welcome back to the channel. Now today we're going to be making this very exciting product. I know it's been a long time since I made any formulation video, so I thought why not. So today we're going to be making this serum. Like I said earlier, this serum is a whitening serum. It is anti-aging and it helps to hydrate and repair the skin. Now the first product that we're going to be using here, of course, is glycerin. Now glycerin is a hydrating ingredient, right? It is also used as a solvent or used for as a humectant. So in our glycerin I'm going to add hyaluronic acid, which is a an anti-aging ingredient. It helps to hydrate the skin, plump the skin. It can hold about 10 times its weight. This is the higher molecular size hyaluronic acid. Now you can use both the higher molecular weight hyaluronic acid or the lower molecular weight hyaluronic acid, but I'm using this because it helps to gel up our product. Right now, after mixing the hyaluronic acid in glycerin to dissolve it, or at least make it easier to disperse in the water, I'm going to add my water. Now as you can see, because I added my hyaluronic acid in glycerin and dissolved it there, or rather mixed it there, it makes it easy for me to dissolve, or it makes it easy to mix with the water properly without any clogging or any chunkiness. As you can see, that's what we have. Very beautiful product, and your hyaluronic acid should dissolve clear like this in water or glycerin. Now after that, we are going to add our skin tight ingredient. Now this is a skin tight ingredient because it helps with wrinkles, it helps with fine line, it helps to stretch out your skin and helps with the production of collagen and elastin. Now if you would like to see the more advanced version of this formula, the formula is available for sale and it is selling for 350,000. In that formula I am going to show you how to make your own skin tight ingredient, how to make your own skin white ingredient, and how to make your own skin firming ingredient. And then I'm going to show you the more advanced way to make this same serum to get even a better result. So if you would like to buy the formula, send us a WhatsApp message using the link in the description bar and we'll give you all the information. You also come with you also get a formula sheet, notes, and a video. Now the ingredient that we're adding here is called our skin firming ingredient. This ingredient will help to firm up the skin. If you have sagging areas under your eyes, the side of your lip and all of that, it helps to firm it up and just basically give a beautiful result. Now this product does not only whiten the skin, right? It also helps to restore the hydration balance of your skin. Now skin whitening products should not be made without making sure that you add functional ingredients that will help to balance out your skin and also help to increase the hydration level of your skin. So this particular formula has been made for a beginner. So if you're a beginner and you would like to include this product into your formula, this is the best way to do it. This formula is going to give you a flawless result, and it has efficacy data, and it's going to give you results in as little as 2 weeks. Yes. So if you're not ready at all, please don't send us a message. So here we have our Skin-white. This is the whitening agent for this product. Now this whitening agent will help with dark spots. It will help with dark under eyes. It will help with uneven complexion. It basically helps to blend in your complexion and give you a more even skin tone. So if you like to learn, if you like to get the formula, you will be getting all of the ways to make these active ingredients that we have used here, and we're going to also show you how to incorporate that into your formula. Now here I am adding my preservative. Of course, it's a water-based product, so you definitely want to use preservative, and this preservative will help to keep this product safe and will help to keep it for a longer period of time. Go ahead and mix that in thoroughly. Make sure you are using, I would recommend you use Jamal Plus for this particular version of this formula. Like I said, when I went to Port Harcourt, I got burns. My skin was all over the place because of the bad environment there. I also had sunburn. So when I came back, I made this formula and it was a hit. So if you are ready to buy this formula is a banger. This will change everything about your skincare business. You can incorporate it into your formula, into your sets. Now we're going to cover this up because we want the hyaluronic acid to hydrate properly, and then we also want to be sure that we are taking the pH, checking the pH, and making sure it is at a pH that is stable and it will accommodate every of our other ingredients. And when you want to store your product, make sure you're storing it in an amber bottle. Of course, this will help to protect your product from sunlight and all of that. Okay, so I'm going to keep this product for at least 24 hours, or in my case I left it for about 2 days or 3 days or so. And then this is me back, and I'm going to open the product. Now if you would like this product to be more jelly, you want to increase the consistency or increase the viscosity of this product, then you can add a higher concentration of hyaluronic acid, but make sure you are using a high molecular weight hyaluronic acid. And make sure when you increase the percentage, you deduct that from the water percentage. Do you understand? So yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and check the pH of my product just to make sure that we have a safe pH. Now I want the pH to be around 5.5 to 6. Better to be at 6, because if you put it at 6, when it drops, or if at all it drops, it doesn't drop below 5.5, and you still have a stable, safe product to use. So as you can see, it is at 6, and that's very fine for me. And I decided to use a dropper bottle because it makes application easier for me. I don't have to keep dipping my hands into the product or whatever. So yeah, this is our final product. I'm going to put a picture of my skin before and after I have started using this formula. Like I said earlier, I am emphasizing it. If you want to buy this formula, you can send us a WhatsApp message. I'm not doing a training on it. You can just buy the formula. The formula comes with a video, it comes with the formula sheet, it comes with the notes explaining each ingredient and why they are in this product. Okay, so if you're interested, only interested people, please don't send me a message if you're not interested to buy. Only interested people. The formula is 350,000 naira. Query, that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and store it in this container just to make sure the product is safe. And yeah, that's basically it. After you do that, cover your product and go ahead to use it, but make sure you label them. Make sure you use a label to label your bottle. I didn't have the time to do that. So yeah, if you have watched up to this extent, please take this time to subscribe down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful, and make sure you share this video and just generally interact with the video. I'm going to leave the recipe in the description bar, so if you want to see the recipe for this version, please check the description bar for the recipe. But if you want to buy the advanced formula, please send us a WhatsApp message and we'll be very glad to sell that to you. So yeah, I'm going to store them in these bottles. I had I think I made 50 ml, so I went ahead to put the 20, the two of those bottles are 20 ml and this one is 10 ml, so that's about 50 ml. That's how much I made. I just had that small tiny bit left. So yeah, thank you so much once again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. It's been a long time, right? I will try as much as possible to be putting in all these formula videos once in a while. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.